Dear student, we see homework on the basis of last period. See, problem set 7, question number 3. Okay, problem set 7, question number 3. What is the question? Without plotting the points on a graph, state in which quadrant or on which axis do the following point lies. Okay, the first is 5, minus 3. The first coordinate is x coordinate and second is the y coordinate. See, as we do the box, such type of box, the first column points, second column and third column quadrant. So what is the first point? 5, minus 3. X coordinate is positive. We take positive. Y coordinate is negative, minus, plus, minus, and plus minus. It is the fourth quadrant. Okay, we see in the first period. Okay, the next point is minus 7, minus 12. See, minus 7, minus 12. X coordinate minus, y coordinate minus. Means minus, minus. It is the third quadrant. So like this, by this way, you want to write all the quadrant minus 23, 4. It is the minus plus means second quadrant. Minus 9, 5, 0, minus 3, minus 6, 0. Write this in this. Last you see minus 6, 0. Minus 6, 0 means minus, okay, dash. These are not on any quadrant. This lies on the axis. Okay. Which axis? See here. First x axis minus 6, y axis 0 means it is on the lies on the x axis. Okay. So by this way you want to solve this example homework. These are the homework for you. Question number 3, homework for you. Now we see next example. Question number 3. Question number 3. Plot points of given coordinate. Okay. So see here. Question number 3. Draw the coordinate system on plane and plot following points L minus 2, 4, M 5, 6, N minus 3, minus 4, P 2, minus 3, Q 6, minus 5, S 7, 0 and T 0, minus 5. Okay. So we plot such type of graph. See here. This horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is the y-axis. Now these are the intersection of this two axes. These are the starting point 0. Consider as a 0. It is the origin. Coordinate of origin is a 0, 0. Now just mark 1 centimeter at the both side of the x-axis. Okay, 1 centimeter. Just like this. And 1 centimeter on the y-axis upper and lower side. Okay, upper side and lower side. Now just give marking. Okay, after the marking just give the name. Okay, 1 x-axis it has a positive on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On x-axis left side is a negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now we take y-axis. On the upper part of y-axis it is a positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the lower part is a negative number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. Now you want to make such type of format of 3 to 4 ग्राफ पेपर. तुम्हाला अशा प्रकारचा फॉर्मॅट 3 ते 4 ग्राफ पेपरचा ऑलरेडी घरी करून ठेवायचं आहे, कारण की बाकीच्या एक्झाममध्ये सेम टू सेम फॉर्मॅट आपल्याला लागणार आहे. नाउ वी प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स. ओके, our first point is see L minus 2, 4. Okay, x coordinate is minus 2. These are the y coordinate is a 4. You want to first consider x coordinate. Okay, so x coordinate minus 2. See x axis. Where is minus 2? These are the minus 2. Okay, now y coordinate is 4. Where is 4 on y axis? See, it is on the upper side or lower side? Lower side minus 4 and upper side is 4. So from minus 2 go on the upper side. Okay, up to the 4. Okay, just give dot and circle. These are the point L. And write minus 2 comma 4. Okay. The next point is 5 comma 6. X coordinate 5, y coordinate 6. So on the x axis, where is the 5? These are the 5. And y coordinate 6. So go upper side. Just give dotted line up to the 6. And from 6 just give dot and just label m 5 comma 6. After then n minus 3 comma minus 4. Where is minus 3 on x axis? This minus 3. And where is just take it as it is, and minus 4 at the lower side. Minus 4. Okay, so these are the point of n minus 3 comma 4. Like this, you want to draw point P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 6 comma minus 5. We plot point P 2 comma minus 3. See, on x axis 2 this, and minus 3 y axis P 2 comma minus 3, and next point Q 6 comma minus 5. On x axis 6 and y axis minus 5. These are the point Q 6 comma minus 5. The next point is as 7 comma 0. So where is 7 on x axis? These are the x coordinate and these are the y. We want to consider the x axis. Where is 7? See, these are the 7. So these are the point as 7 comma 0, and these are on the x axis. Okay, not on the quadrant. The point S is not on the quadrant, on the x axis. Okay, the next point is T 0 comma minus 5. So the x coordinate is 0, means this 0, and y coordinate is minus 5. So go on the lower side of the here. Just give dot. The coordinate is point name is T 0 comma minus 5. Okay, 0 comma minus 5. So by this way you want to plot such type of coordinate system or graph in your copy, and just attach this graph to your copy. Okay, now we see homework on this example, problem set 7, question number 2. See the graph. You want to draw this graph and you want to write the question also in your copy. Now see the question first. Write the coordinate of point Q and R. See point Q. Where is point Q? These are the point Q. X coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is 2. So write point Q, x coordinate minus 2 comma 2, and point R. Where is R? These are the R. X coordinate, you want to first consider the x coordinate. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is minus 1. Okay, so R 4 comma minus 1. Next, write the coordinate of point T and M. Where is T? See T. These are on the x axis, on the y axis. So the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 1. T 0 comma minus 1. Next M Where is M on x-axis? X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0, M 3 comma 0. Which point lies in the third quadrant? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Point S is lies on the third quadrant. Which are the point whose x and y coordinate are equal? Both coordinate are equal. See here, x coordinate is -2, y coordinate is 2, not equal. So no one point is C as both coordinate are equal. But here these are the O and O means origin, and coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0, 0. So the point O, origin, which both coordinates are equal. Okay, the next example homework for you, question number 4. These are the homework for you. Plot falling points on one and same coordinate system. Okay, you want to draw graph and plot the falling point. Just like first example, A 1, 3, B -3, -1, C 1, -4, D -2, 3, E 0, -8, F 1, 0. So you want to plot a graph and draw falling all these points. So these are the homeworks for you. These are again extra example I give. Draw falling points on graph A 3, 3, B 4, -5, C -3, 6, D -4, -4, E 0, 2, F -5, 0. So solve all these examples and homework properly in your notebook. Copy. Attach the graph paper properly in your notebook and draw the graph properly. Make the points, give the points perfectly, and solve all these examples.